It's Sunday, June 14th, 2026, and I sat down at my computer with a big vision but no clear next step. And that made me think about the exact person the 404 signal is built for. Mid-career professionals who know something is changing but cannot clearly see what to do next. The problem is not intelligence. The problem is not effort. It's not too much noise. AI is not replacing careers. It's repricing skills. And when skills get repriced, people freeze. Because they are trying to protect the old version of their career instead of building the next version. The future is here. That's where the leverage is. Not panic, not hype, but repositioning yourself. The question is not, will AI take my job? The better question is, what part of my work is losing value and what part of my judgment is becoming more available, more valuable? That is the work. That is the signal. That's why I'm building the 404 signal.